Yes. Thank you guys. It's always a pleasure to have you here. Without you, I don't know what I would be doing. It's the home fit community, a place where we come together to give the body a dose of movement. Yes, I call this the body smiling at the gift we are giving it. All right, let's get ready. 10 minutes of core workout we are going to use. Let me add some light. All right, go on your mat. 30 seconds on, we rest 10 seconds. Now you just go down, shoulders touch completely, then you come up. So roll, unwind your spine on the mat slowly. So now you see I start up, now I start low, and then I go up. Let's go. So this is the first variation. In the next round, we'll do the same exercise, but there is a change. So now we go like this, and then we bring the hands here, we come up, and then we raise. Next time we come, we go to the other side. Beautiful. So once you're here, make sure your core is really tight. Beautiful. Now we are here. Put your elbows down. Now we're going to be doing, you extend one leg at a time, and then you alternate. If extending the leg is too much, just stay here, it's also fine. But this is like the advanced levels to extend the legs fully. Make sure your core is tight and lower back as well. Wonderful. Next one, we are still here, but now we are going to do crisscross. The easier version, you can bend the legs a little bit like this, and then the advanced, you make sure the legs are straight. Focus. Joanne Wilson, hello. Wagwan. Beautiful. Now, we are on the side here. We're going to be doing like this. Johnson Carlos, welcome. It's all good. We are gifting the body a dose of movement. Movement is the best medicine we can give the body, and movement doesn't have any side effect to the body. You just have to make sure you're doing the movement right. So here I'm always contracting this side of the core to bring the hip up. Let's go on the other side. Elbow right below the shoulders. Let's go. So we do these workouts on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Wonderful. Beautiful. Now, this is level 1. Level 1, you're just on the knees and elbow, and then you alternate to high to low. High to low plank. And then level 2, you're here. today's workout is a perfect workout for flat tummy. First we started by burning fat or calories. Now we are straightening the core. Beautiful. Now the next one, you're here in the plank and then you step to the side. This is level 1. Level 2, you're here, knees are not touching the ground. Core tight. Beautiful. Now, lie with your back flat and then do figure 4. Now, each time bring this elbow to the opposite knee. Let's go. Exhale when you're up here. Beautiful. Let's go on the other side. Switch. So you can put the hand here. Make sure the shoulder goes and touches the ground, and then you start the movement. Wonderful. Now, bend your knees 90 degrees. And now we're going here. You just raise your shoulders from the ground. Then you go until the shoulders are completely touching the ground. Follow the music. When the beat hits, you're up. Then on the next beat, you come down. Shoulders are touching the ground. Beautiful. Now we are here. Bend towards the back. Put your palms together. Now we touch on one side. We come to the center. In the next round, we will go on the other side. I want this song again. So next one, we go on the other side. The song is back. So we touch. We come to the center. So it's as if you're dancing. Nathan, hello. We're almost there, guys. Under 2 minutes remaining. Beautiful. Let's go to the high plank. So modified, you go slowly, knee to elbow, like this. The non-modified, you're a bit more explosive. Core tight. Beautiful. Final round. Final round, we are going to come here, then you go down, come back up. So just a little bit, leaning back a bit more, and coming up here again. Notice the chin is not like this, the chin is like that. Final round. Beautiful. Well done, well done. Ooh, hydration. Next part, we are going to the stretching. 15 minutes. Let me switch the music. Beautiful, beautiful. Claps. Thank you guys. I forgot to turn on the calorie counter, but for sure we are doing wonderful job. We do this workout on Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 1800 Belgian time. Claude Joseph, Barbara James, thank you, thank you. Richmond saying fire, fire, fire. Indeed, indeed. So now we are going to stretch the body, get ready. 15 minutes. Stay. If you want to join to be among the ambassadors, people helping this community to grow, all you have to do is to share the workout with 1 or 2 people, and I will add you among the ambassador. Thank you so much, guys, for always being here. If it was your first time on this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so that you get notified whenever a new workout comes up. Thank you so much. We deserve some fire.